Okay, so this is my Lightpack 2, I guess, unboxing video, and I had kickstarted this like ages ago and finally got it a couple weeks ago. It's September 24th now. Yeah, so I got this because it has the HDMI pass-through, so I can use it on my TV. Initially, I had gotten the first Kickstarter, the original light pack. This is just the box. I was trying to use it on my Mac, but the drivers stopped working after I started upgrading my computer. I don't think it works on the Mac anymore. If I ever get around to getting a PC, um, hopefully it will work again. So that's this piece with all the light pieces with the sticky tape, which is horrible, which they replaced with a ribbon in the Lightpack 2, power cable, and USB for the computer. But like I said, I don't think the hardware is damaged, but it definitely does not like getting connected to my Mac anymore. So that's it. All right, let's open this thing. This is the back of the box, which is upside down. I don't know why, but this is everything that's supposed to be inside. Light pack, LED ribbon, 5 meters, HDMI cable, 1.2 meters, a power adapter, adhesive clips, remote, and ribbon connectors. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, I get it now. That's just this again. You can compare it to the original. That looks like the power connector, the HDMI. I don't know what that other pin. Oh, that's for the light, obviously. Cool. So that's that. And then, great. Quick start guide. The clip and connectors in a paper bag. Very good. Nothing's plastic, it seems, in here so far, which I love. The remote and HDMI cable, the LED ribbon, and the power adapter. Cool. Oh, okay. So different plugs to adapt to other countries, Europe, US, Japan, or North America. I don't know. Great. So that's the one I'm going to use. Great. To put that aside. Probably going to keep this box. Great. Okay. What's the quick arts guide say? Cool. That's all right. Interesting. The cable. I wonder if it's similar to the IKEA stuff that I have currently. We'll find out. Got it. Okay. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to cut this, but hopefully my TV is a good size. I think I have a 46-inch TV right now. Okay, interesting. Okay. Yep. Got it. Huh. Okay. Let's pairing the remote. Manual ribbon setup. Okay, I'll deal with this later. Oh! Okay. I did not realize. That's cool. Alright. Great. I guess, take out the remote. Nice and simple. So media remote, moods. Interesting. Okay. Something else in there. Oh, I think it's the battery. Yep. Great. That is a pretty standard. Yeah. Great. That's HDMI cable. Okay, this is the important part. The cable, the clip connector, and then HDMI cable. Okay. What are these? The connectors. Interesting. Okay, those are little extenders or something. Oh, okay, clip. Great. And then this baby, which is locked in there. It's like tucked in there. Great. And cool. It comes in this oh, it's like a little rubber thing to keep it in, which is nice. And those are the where you get the cut points, I guess. Yep. You can see the scissor marks there. Oh, it says Lightpack on it. Nice. Cool. So that's it for the unboxing. I'm going to try to hook it up. Okay, I've connected the cables to the back of the TV, and I've paired the remote. So if you look at the input, it switches. Okay, that's the second one. That's the third one. Fourth, and then this is the where I plugged my receiver into. Great. Okay, that's my Apple TV. Guess what we really want to see is the background. It's doing it. A mess of wires back there. Okay, what can I play? That should be colorful. Oh, that's cool. What else? What's super crazy colorful? The intro. Looks like it works. Okay, I'm gonna, I guess, watch a lot of TV tonight. See what I think afterwards. So I've had it for about a week now, and the edge lighting is very cool. I guess the one thing I would say is that the remote sometimes unsyncs with the device, and I found that unplugging and plugging back in the Lightpack itself and repairing the remote seems to help. Um, but other than that, it's worked fine. I do have a secondary output from my receiver that leads to a projector, which doesn't like it when the Lightpack is plugged in from the initial output. But I think if you have it connected to one device only, that doesn't go through the Lightpack, it should be fine. Now the Lightpack has 4 different inputs, but since I have the receiver, I only use the one. And yeah, other than switching to the projector, it seems to work fine. So that is the end of my unboxing, and thanks for watching. Bye.